Good morning this Wednesday, the 9th of July. I'm Grady Wolfe, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed mixed on Tuesday as investors assessed the latest comments out of President Trump on the tariff front, whereby he said he will make no exceptions to his August 1st tariff start date deadline. The S&P 500 lost just 0.07%, the Dow Jones dipped 0.37%, and the Nasdaq ended Tuesday's session up 0.03%, so kind of a flat day there on Wall Street. In Europe, overnight markets in the region closed higher as investors hope trade deals can be done between the US and key European countries in the near future. The STOXX 600 rose 0.3%, Germany's DAX, the French CAC, and the UK's FTSE 100 each ended the day up 0.5%. Across the Asia region on Tuesday, it was a positive day despite investors assessing President Trump's latest tariff threats on 14 key trading partners. Imports from Japan, South Korea and Malaysia, among other countries, are now set to face tariffs of 25% starting August 1, according to Trump's latest posts on his own social media platform, Truth Social. Japan's Nikkei rose 0.26% on Tuesday. South Korea's Kospi index ended the day up 1.81%. China's CSI index rose 0.84% and Hong Kong's Seng added 1.09%. The local market closed Tuesday's session flat as investors were shocked by the RBA's surprise rate hold announcement, whereby Australia's cash rate will remain at 3.85% for the next period amid global uncertainty on the tariff front and Australia's tight labour market. RBA Governor Michelle Bullock said Australia's central bank is really conscious of not wanting to end up with a fight against inflation again, and they want to make sure they have nailed inflation before cutting again. Following the RBA's shock rate hold on Tuesday afternoon, the ASX dipped but recovered before the closing bell, with staples and utility stocks taking the biggest hit, while tech and communication services offset some of those losses. Some big broker moves sparked stock reactions yesterday, with South 32 sliding almost 2% after Goldman Sachs cut its outlook on the company to neutral, while Domino's Pizza rallied over 2% after UBS upgraded the company to a buy, and Guzman & Gomez fell 4% after JP Morgan initiated coverage on the stock on Monday with an underweight rating. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.7% higher at $68.40 a barrel. Gold is down almost 1% at $3,306 an ounce. And iron ore is up 0.35% at $95.55 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback overnight to buy 65.31 US cents, 95.77 Japanese yen, 48.12 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of the midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down just 0.08%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased the 12-month price target on Cobram Estate olives from $1.95 to $2.35 and maintain a hold rating on the olive oil producer, following the company's provision of FY25 production and earnings guidance update. CBO expects production to come below Bell Potter expectations, but EBITDA expectations of $115 million top Bell Potter expectations of $113 million. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Lycopodium following the formation of a pattern over a period of 99 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $11.29 to the range of $12.50 to $12.80, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for this morning. Have a wonderful Wednesday and happy investing.